If you want to bypass forgotten screen lock on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can perform the factory reset of your OnePlus 15 by going to the recovery mode. So in this case, in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off your phone. So we're gonna use the power button and volume up button to open the power menu, and then we need to slide it down, of course, over here to power off the phone. And wait for the vibration. Once you feel the vibration after turning off the phone, you can proceed by using the power button and volume down button. So you want to press and hold these two buttons, and we need to hold them until you go to the recovery mode. And first we will have the language selection. If you see OnePlus logo, then you can still hold it. There we go. And there is a chance that the language will be immediately selected, so you can tap on this arrow in the upper left corner and you can switch to English. And then in here we have format data, so you can select this option, enter the verification code that we have over here to confirm that you want to perform the factory reset, and you should be able to erase everything that you have on your phone, and you will have the initial configuration again. Of course, as a drawback, you will lose everything that you have on your phone and that you have on the internal storage, unless you have backups automatically done by the phone in some way. And that's pretty much it. You should be able to go through the initial configuration after that, and you should be able to, of course, get the access back pretty much to the phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.